Well, as you can see behind me, it's a nice night across East Texas. This is a shot of downtown Tyler, and of course we don't have any rain. We've had some clouds for the day, but also got a chance to enjoy some sunshine as well. This is the regional satellite and radar composite. You see the clouds continue to stream in from the west, and they're mostly over the southern half of Texas. We're also seeing a few thunderstorms develop to the north there, east of Wichita Falls and up into Oklahoma. We're not expecting any of that activity for us, with the possible exception of during the early morning hours there close to sunrise we could see some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in East Texas briefly, but then that would be all we would see, and the rest of the day looks pretty good there on Sunday. This is what Futurecast shows. There's that line to the north of us, and here comes activity in East Texas early in the morning, but by lunchtime we will be breaking out into a good bit of sunshine during the afternoon with some storms developing off to our east. Now we do pick up cloud cover again as we get into Monday. What you're looking at right now is about an hour and 40 minutes before the beginning of the total part of the eclipse in East Texas. Chance for some rain down in deep East Texas. The rest of the area should not have rain and possibly even have some breaks in the clouds. 1 o'clock, a little before the totality begins, which is about 1:40, we will see perhaps some sunshine in the northern portions of the area, but then the rain starts to move in, and that's going to be the case for a few days in East Texas, as we'll see some scattered showers and possibly severe storms. You see how they continue to develop. This is Tuesday morning at midnight. Through the rest of the day Tuesday, we get more activity developing across North Texas as we have a slow moving system that is producing all of this activity. 4 o'clock in the afternoon Tuesday, a lot of showers and thunderstorms, and remember this time we will be having a slight risk of severe storms for parts of East Texas on Monday afternoon, mainly after the eclipse, and then on into Tuesday and on Wednesday. This covers all of East Texas. A slight risk there Monday, and again Monday afternoon, Monday night, the prime time for the activity over into the morning hours there of Tuesday. The rest of the day Tuesday, we're still under a slight risk for severe storms in East Texas. All types of severe weather will be possible. Same thing on Wednesday, although the area begins to shift eastward, and the rest of the week will be looking much better in East Texas. Here's our temperatures tonight, and we're seeing most of those readings in the 70s across our East Texas area. Next 7 days, those temperatures start off pretty warm. They'll be dipping down through the middle part of the week, but only to around 70 for the highs, and then we warm up back to near 80 by the time the weekend arrives in the area. So look for a wet start to the week. Hopefully everything will hold off until after the eclipse. It will continue through Wednesday, and then Thursday morning a chance we could see some showers wrapping up, and a good start to the weekend. For the deep East Texas area, showers and thunderstorms through Wednesday as well. It'll be kind of windy with those gusts up to 30 miles per hour, not only in deep East Texas but over much of the rest of the area there at midweek, but it looks better by the weekend. Fox51.com is our website. You can find that forecast there anytime you need it.
Thank you, John.